Hello and welcome to English with Altaf. In today's video, we're going to talk about a dream many people have, studying abroad and speaking English confidently. We will share ideas, tips, and real talk to help you feel more ready for this exciting journey.
That's right. Studying abroad is a big step, and speaking English confidently plays a huge role in it. In this conversation, we'll explore how to improve your English skills and prepare yourself mentally and practically to study in another country.
Altaf, do you know what the first thing is that students worry about when they plan to study abroad?
Yes, Annie. Most of them worry about their English speaking skills. They often think, will I be able to speak well in the classroom? What if people don't understand me? Or what if I make a mistake?
Exactly. And many students feel nervous even before applying for a university abroad. That fear of not speaking English fluently stops them from even trying.
But the truth is, no one speaks perfectly at the beginning. Every English speaker, even native ones, make mistakes. The important thing is to keep learning and keep speaking. Fluency comes with practice, not perfection.
You're so right. When I was in school, I also dreamed of going abroad. But my English wasn't strong. I used to listen to English songs, watch English shows with subtitles, and talk to myself in English in front of the mirror. It felt funny at first, but slowly my confidence grew.
That's a great method. Speaking to yourself is a simple but powerful way to improve. Reading aloud is another great tip. When you read something aloud every day, you train your tongue and ears. You get used to the sound of English, and your pronunciation improves too.
Yes, and vocabulary matters too. Students who want to study abroad must build their vocabulary slowly. Start with basic words and phrases used in daily conversations, like introducing yourself, asking for directions, talking about your studies or hobbies.
Absolutely. And don't forget the listening skill. Watch English news, interviews, podcasts, or lectures online. Listen to different accents. If you want to study in the UK, get used to the British accent. If your goal is the US, listen to American speakers.
That's very helpful. Also, many students feel shy when speaking in English because they fear judgment. But the truth is, nobody becomes fluent overnight. Making mistakes is part of learning. Be proud that you're trying.
Yes, Annie. And joining English-speaking groups or language exchange programs can help. Practice makes a big difference. Speak with friends who are also learning, or join online communities where learners from different countries talk in English.
Altaf, let's talk about the connection between studying abroad and confidence in English. Why is it important to work on speaking skills before going abroad?
Great question. When you study abroad, you're in an environment where English is the main language. In classes, with friends, even when shopping or traveling. If your English is strong, you feel more confident, more independent, and you enjoy the experience more.
That's true. I've heard stories of students who felt lost in the beginning. They couldn't follow lectures or make friends because they didn't understand or speak well. But those who practiced before going had a smoother start.
Exactly. And preparation doesn't mean learning big grammar books. It means building comfort with everyday English. Learn how to explain your thoughts. Practice writing short emails or messages. Prepare answers to common questions asked in university interviews.
Right. And writing also helps with speaking. When you write something, you understand how sentences are formed. Later, when you speak, those sentences come to your mind more easily.
Let's not forget the role of confidence. Even if your English is not perfect, speak with confidence. Don't hide or stay quiet. Be brave. Confidence makes your English sound better because you believe in yourself.
Yes. And people respond positively when you speak with confidence. They will help you if you get stuck. They appreciate your effort. Remember, communication is about connection, not perfection.
That's a golden rule. Communication is about sharing your thoughts and feelings, not using perfect grammar. If people understand you, you're already successful.
Also, to all our viewers, don't wait to be perfect before you start speaking. Start now. Speak in English today. Talk to your friends. Talk to yourself. Talk in front of the mirror. Just begin.
And if you dream of studying abroad, start your English practice today. Make it a part of your life. Turn your phone into English. Change your YouTube settings. Read English articles. Write a journal. Live in the language.
Altaf, this has been such a helpful talk. We've covered so many things today, from speaking confidence to vocabulary to listening skills to daily practice.
Yes, Annie. Let's quickly remind our viewers what we learned today.
We learned that studying abroad is possible if we believe in ourselves and start improving our English step by step. Speaking with confidence is more important than speaking perfectly.
We also talked about ways to improve: speaking aloud, listening to English, writing regularly, building vocabulary, and most of all, practicing daily.
And we reminded you not to be afraid of mistakes. They are part of your journey. Start speaking today and move closer to your dream.
Thank you for joining us on English with Altaf. Keep learning, keep practicing, and one day you'll speak English confidently and live your dream abroad.
See you in the next video. Until then, believe in yourself and never stop learning.
Goodbye and take care.